Trakm8's Insight Optimisation software can make millions of calculations in a fraction of the time that it would take human planners to increase your productivity and save costs. This is how it works. Step 1. Set up your resources. Insight Optimisation looks at all of your available resources, such as vehicles, depots, and people. This can include driver qualifications such as forklift licenses, as well as compliance issues such as statutory breaks and total driving hours. Step 2. Import jobs. Jobs could be deliveries and collections, or visits to customer premises. This data can include customer-specific delivery time slots, whether the order requires two-person delivery for bulky items, such as white goods or furniture, and whether the goods need to be chilled or even frozen. Step 3. Optimize. Insight Optimisation calculates the most efficient way to meet all of your objectives. It will achieve this in the lowest cumulative mileage and using the least possible number of vehicles and drivers, or calculate routes on a balanced basis, where all drivers are utilised with a similar number of jobs. Step 4. Distribute driver schedules. Insight Optimisation can automatically send job details to a driver's handheld device, such as a smartphone or other handheld devices. This also means that transport managers can receive real-time notifications of completed tasks. This could be an engineer confirming that a piece of equipment is repaired, or a customer signing for delivery. Optimise your transport fleet with Insight Optimisation. For more information and to try our free benchmarking service, call today on 0330 311 5157 or visit www.trakm8.com/optimisation.